Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by closing Discord and verifying it is not running in Task Manager. This prevents files from being locked. Once done, open File Explorer and go to %localappdata%backslash discord to find updater files. Make a quick backup of the whole folder so you can restore if needed, and create a system restore point for extra safety. Now that prerequisites are done, proceed to block or disable the updater file so Discord can no longer auto-replace itself. Next, target the updater files directly because preventing execution stops automatic installs. You rename Update, exe and Update, DLL, or move them out of the folder. This breaks the expected updater path. Then change NTFS permissions, deny execute and modify for everyone or set files to read-only so the installer cannot replace them. After that, add an outbound firewall rule that blocks the updater executable or Discord's updater connections, which prevents it from fetching new versions. This two-pronged approach keeps updates from triggering. To finish, restart your computer and open Discord to confirm the client runs and the version remains unchanged. Check the folder for any recreated updater files. Make sure to avoid reinstalling or using the web installer because that can re-enable auto updates. If Discord recreates its updater, restore your backup to a safe location, then reapply stricter deny permissions and tighten firewall rules. If problems persist, remove Discord, reinstall a specific version, and immediately apply the rename/permission plus firewall block before launching. One key tip: keep a copy of the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.